Tomorrow morning is your flight, sir?
Yeah, I actually moved it a little bit later in the day because I still had stuff to do at the...
I want your cat with my model, the little one.
You want to do what?
Her?
Yeah.
She's so pretty. When you
The small girl? What do you want with her?
No.
What do you want? You want the photo?
I want a bobcat.
I'm asking, what did you say about the model?
Sir?
What did you say about the little model?
She's so pretty when cut her hair.
The 5-year-old?
And she is very thankful when they go home.
The 5-year-old?
Yes. She told me, "Thank you, ate. Merry Christmas."
Shame. Shame. Yeah, she does look pretty. Yeah? See? See the length? I think all your models came out nicely.
Sure.
All your models' hairs come out nice.
Maybe if I could have longer time, I could get more models.
Yeah.
Because the first batch, sir,
The first batch were
those
good.
were my models I get last August.
Yeah. Okay.
I always keep in touch to them since August up to December. That's why they will come up here.
Okay, so you're already talking to them. You were keeping in touch with them, right?
Yeah.
You were talking to them all the time. See, that's what my other agents didn't do, you know. They just spoke to them once, right? And then, I mean, the other girl that's coming, Jonah, I mean, she already had models like you, like from August, but she never kept in touch with them, right? So they were thinking